Top 10 strongest dogs in the world. We start from number 10. 10. Cane Corso. Pronounced Cane Corso from Italian Cane Corso, also known as the Italian Mastiff, is a large Italian breed of dog, for years valued highly in Italy as a companion, guard dog, and hunter. 9. Rottweiler. The Rottweilers, or is a breed of domestic dog, regarded as medium to large, or large. The dogs were known in German as Rottweiler, Metzgerhund, meaning Rottweil butcher's dogs. 8. American Pit Bull Terrier. The American Pit Bull Terrier is a dog breed. It is a medium-sized, solidly built, short-haired dog whose early ancestors came from the British Isles. 7. Boerboel. The Boerboel, also known as the South African Mastiff, is a large, Melossi-type breed from South Africa bred for the purpose of guarding the homestead. 6. Presa Canario. The Rhoda Presa Canario, aka the Canary Mastiff, is a large Melossi-type dog breed originally bred for working livestock. 5. Dogo Argentino. The Dogo Argentino, also known as the Argentine Mastiff, is a large, white, muscular dog that was developed in Argentina, primarily for the purpose of big game hunting. 4. Tosa Inu. The Tosa is a breed of dog of Japanese origin that is considered rare. It was originally bred in Tosa as a fighting dog and still is today. 3. Alabai. Central Asian Shepherd, an ancient breed from the regions of Central Asia. It is not the result of artificial selection. Native breed called Alabai historically common among Central Asian peoples. 2. Illyrian Sheepdog. The Illyrian Sheepdog is a dog breed of the livestock guardian type named after the Shah Mountains in the border area between Kosovo, Macedonia and Albania. It is a Melossi-type mountain dog. And the strongest dog in the world is the Kangal. The Kangal is a breed of large livestock guardian dog originating from the Sivas province of Turkey. The breed is of an early Mastiff type with a solid, pale tan or sable coat, and a black mask. Thank you for watching. Give us a like, and subscribe our channel.